Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn taking charge of waste together, step by step. Hello friends, I am Vidya. Every day we throw away things we do not need. This is called waste. Today we will learn what waste is and how we can take charge of it to keep our world clean. Waste is the things we throw away, like fruit peels after we eat, like old paper and broken toys, like plastic bags and empty bottles. If we throw waste everywhere, it makes our place dirty. We use two bins for waste. The green bin is for wet waste, like fruit peels and food. The blue bin is for dry waste, like paper and plastic. Putting waste in the right bin helps a lot. We can keep our world clean. Always throw waste in a dustbin, never on the ground. Do not litter in parks or streets. We can also reuse old things instead of throwing them away. A clean place makes everyone happy. To recap, waste is the things we throw away. We use a green bin for wet waste and a blue bin for dry waste. Never litter and try to reuse old things. Let us keep our world clean and green, friends. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.